CANTIER. With seamless integration to SAP S4, HANA, CANTIER MES 4.0 transforms high-tech manufacturers into a smart factory by unifying real-time shop floor WIP tracking, quality management, closed-loop SPC, IIoT and edge intelligence. Integrated Cloud-Edge MES System. Our MES system seamlessly integrates with both legacy and modern manufacturing setups from edge to cloud, offering real-time operational insights, predictive analytics, and autonomous decision-making capabilities at scale. Accelerating digital transformation. We are committed to advancing both Greenfield and Brownfield digital transformations, focusing on geo-specific needs to enhance factory efficiency and productivity. Case studies. We have proven case studies where we have implemented our MES 4.0 with S4 HANA. One of our recent case studies in Littelfuse, we have provided MES 4.0 solution with SAP by connecting 1,000+ machines via IIOT Gateway for real-time communication. In less than 2 years they have improved their productivity 45% and OEE 36%. In another recent case study for a mobile manufacturer, we have provided NextGen MES 4.0 and SAP Solution that unifies execution, IIoT and intelligence through a federated cloud-edge architecture, impacted a high performance and faster scaling. Here we have connected 5,500+ machines and stations with 3.5 million transactions per day. The SAP Cloud and CANTIER Edge MES solution is characterized by its modular, flexible, and scalable architecture, harnessing industrial automation with edge-based production execution, IIoT, and manufacturing intelligence. CANTIER Edge MES 4.0 plays a pivotal role in ensuring intelligent collaboration in various production functions such as real-time shop floor WIP tracking, incoming, in-process, outgoing, product quality management, closed-loop SPC, non-conformance management and edge intelligence.